Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get a stuck lug nut off. I've broke so many of these things right here trying to get lug nuts off, and sockets, they don't even work half the time, they snap. So I learned this trick. I've used these things for these jacks. I've used them to push in calipers on the for the pistons on the calipers. If you can get them in there, you can set this in between the calipers right here, between the pistons and the caliper, and just jack it up slowly and it'll push the pistons back in. I've used it to take the tires off of Rams. I'll show you that in a second. But this right here, this setup, this is great for popping the lug nut off that you can't get off. You just take a hammer and just slowly jack it up. It'll put pressure on here, and when you get to a point where sometimes maybe you look like one of these are gonna snap, just hold off for a second, take a hammer and keep tapping this, and it'll you'll see it and you'll feel it. It'll just pop right off. It'll loosen it right out. I had to do this yesterday.